Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Pownall. Today we're here to talk about the TPR examination. TPR stands for temperature, pulse, and respiration. Those are three parameters you should know in your healthy horse, and you know them to understand when your horse is A, sick, and B, to monitor your horse's athletic condition as your show season progresses. So the first measurement we're going to look at is a temperature. In the normal adult horse, in Celsius, it's between 37 degrees and 39 degrees, and in Fahrenheit, between 99.5 and 101.5. Knowing what is normal for your horse will help you in case your horse is spiking a fever, is becoming sick. You can know when the values are out of the whack. Also, remember, on very, very warm days, hot days, after a long ride, or any kind of athletic activity, the temperatures may be a bit elevated as well. We recommend getting a digital thermometer. The glass ones will break off too easily in a horse, and that's kind of dangerous. Whether you get Fahrenheit or Celsius is irrelevant. Just take great care. You may want to moisturize the tip of the thermometer first for ease of access, standing close to the back end of the horse so if they do strike out, the impact will be minimized. And it's just as simple as moving the tail out of the way and inserting and waiting for the beep. So here we're going to be examining the heart rate or pulse of the horse. The normal adult horse is between 28 and 36 beats per minute. When you are measuring, every lub-dub is equal to 1 heartbeat. The more athletic horse, or the horse that's in better shape, just like us humans, will have a lower heart rate. If you don't have a stethoscope, you can always use the nerve right here. If you run along the bottom of the jaw, you will find a little artery here. By pressing against it lightly, you'll get the heart rate. Very similarly, we can do it to ourselves too. But right around here, you can put your hand here on some horses and get a heart rate. But we like to use a stethoscope, and we place it right behind the elbow. Sometimes what you want to do with a horse is keep it there, and you measure it in increments of 10 or 15 seconds and multiply it by 4 or 5. You may want to eliminate the first 30 seconds because the cold stethoscope may cause the heart rate to go up artificially. So sometimes I'll keep the stethoscope there for 30-45 seconds until we know that the heart rate has stabilized. Our final measurement is the respiration rate. Normal in a healthy adult horse is between 8 and 16 breaths per minute. Again, in the more healthy horse, that level will be lower. What you want to do is look at the horse from a distance, maybe when they're standing in the stall or on the cross ties, and you can just watch their flanks move in and out and measure them over 30 seconds, and then multiply by 2 to understand how many breaths per minute you have.